Welcome to the Antenna Research and Testing Laboratory at Vanasthali Vidyapeeth, a center of excellence where innovation meets execution. This lab offers a comprehensive end-to-end ecosystem for antenna development, starting from high-frequency simulation to precision fabrication, advanced calibration, and real-world testing in an anechoic environment. Our journey begins with simulation using fully licensed tools like CST and HFSS. These industry-standard platforms provide full-wave 3D electromagnetic simulation for advanced antenna structures, ensuring accuracy and in impedance matching, gain, bandwidth, and far-field analysis. Students and researchers can optimize complex antenna topologies, including fractal, MIMO, and millimeter wave arrays long before fabrication. Once designs are finalized, we move to fabrication using the LPKF Protomat automatic PCB prototyping machine. This high precision system creates real antennas from design files supporting substrates like FR4, Rogers, and Taconic with rapid turnaround and micron level accuracy. From student prototypes to research grade arrays, the machine supports single and multi-layer antenna fabrication. Then come calibration, which is vital for accurate measurements. Our lab is equipped with a RNS vector network analyzer supporting up to 40 GHz, enabling characterization of antennas designed for upper high frequency sub 6 GHz and even millimeter wave applications. Calibration is performed using standard SALT methods, minimizing system errors and ensuring high fidelity in S parameter measurements. The centerpiece of real-world analysis is our fully shielded anechoic chamber supporting testing frequencies up to 18 GHz. This chamber offers a reflection-free environment for measuring radiation patterns, gain, polarization, and beamwidth with high accuracy. With rotable mounts and automated turntables, we conduct 360-degree radiation testing, critical for performance validation of 5G, radar, and satellite communication antennas. With advanced simulation, fabrication, and testing infrastructure, Antenna Lab at Vanasthali Vidyapeeth is one of India's best equipped academic labs for RF and wireless research. Supporting design from megahertz to millimeter wave, this lab bridges theory with real-world innovation. Students gain hands-on experience with tools and workflows used by top telecom, defense, and aerospace industries, preparing them for impactful careers in the wireless domain. Our Antenna Lab stands as a pillar of excellence in practical RF engineering. With end-to-end infrastructure from fabrication to far-field analysis, integrated with software-defined platforms, lab equips future engineers with the skills and tools to shape